Good morning, friends. I am Alpesh Shah from well-known coaching institution Arihant Coaching. I am with the new video for my students class 9. I am explaining the construction exercise 11.2 question number 4. Construct triangle XYZ in which y is equal to 30 degree, z is equal to 90 degree, xy plus yz plus zx is 11 centimeter. Friends, this construction is a unique construction. Here we are given xy plus yz plus zx. So friends, what can we imagine? The same construction will be asked in a different way by giving the word perimeter. Here we can understand perimeter of triangle XYZ. So if you are given the word perimeter, then also the same construction. So friends, you must remember the necessary instructions. XY plus YZ plus ZX. 3 sides are added. So it is given perimeter. And one more thing we have to remember, whatever base angle are given, we have to take half of base angle. So we should construct angle 15 degree and 45 degree because we are given base angle 30 and 90. So these points you have to remember. Friends, you have to remember my tips, whatever I give. Before starting the construction, we should keep in our mind that 15 degree and 45 degree we have to take. It means half of given angles. 30 given, so half 15. 90 given, so half 45. First, we have to take the line segment equal to the sum of all these sides. So I hope you remember these points. Now I am starting the construction. Beta, concentrate here. It is a little bit longer but easy. First we have to take the line segment 11 centimeter and it is, I will write down, we can say P and Q. So it is PQ 11 centimeter. It is P and Q. It is 11 centimeter. It is perimeter. Now we have to construct the half angles X, Y, Z. We should keep in our mind. So Y will be left side. So half of 30, 15 degree. So from P 15 degree, from Q 45 degree. So I will start constructing angle 15 degree. Keep the pin on P and draw an arc, any arc by taking any random measurement. Here it is first arc, it is 60 degree, then it will be the 30 degree. We can see this. Now we should get a point on that semicircle arc for constructing. It is, we can say M, we can say N, we can say P. Join P and here P already given, so here I will draw or get O. Then from P and O we have to join them. So here I will join O and P. It is 30 degree, but we need only this point. It is not our required construction. So I have get point here for making 15 degree. We can say it is S. Now by taking the measurement of more than half of M and S, M and S. I will construct 15 degree this side arc, and from S I will make another arc. Where both the arcs meet, I will give name here T. It is T. So join P and T. We have to join P and T. This P and T I have connected in a proper way. So it is ray P T. Can you see? It is ray P T. Now we can say it is 15 degree. From Q I will construct 45 degree. So concentrate here. I will construct 45 degree by taking random measurement. It is random measurement. It is semicircle arc. First arc it is 60 degree. Then second arc it is also 60. Then we have to draw 90 degree. One arc from here, the other arc from here. Where both the arcs intersect, we should get the intersecting point. It is 90, but we do not need 90 degree. We need 45. So here only I will get the point. I will give name M. M is already here. So I will give name U. Now by taking more than half of 90 degree, this is 90 degree, more than half. One arc from this point here, the other arc from U, it will here. Where both the arcs intersect, it is 45 degree angle. So we have to draw 45 degree angle, and here I will write down V. I will write down here V. So join Q and V. I will join Q and V. This is Q, this is V. You can see Q and V I have joined. It is Q and it is V. This is Q and V. I hope you can see properly this Q and V. I should extend the 15 degree angle because these must be intersect. So I will extend it. I will extend this ray like this. Here I have extended. Where both the rays meet, we can say it is our main triangle XYZ. XYZ is our main triangle that we need. So we get X. Here it is X. Now we have to construct perpendicular bisector of XP, perpendicular bisector of XQ. This we have to construct. So for that I will take more than half of P2X. It is more than half of P2X. One arc upside. Friends, beta concentrate. P2X. One arc upside from P. The other arc downwards from P. With the same measurement, we have to draw an arc from X. It is intersect here, it will intersect here. Where both the arcs meet, we have to join the points in a proper way. I will say it is G, it is H. Join both G and H. We have to join G and H. See here, I join G and H. Where this GH intersect PQ, we can say this point is our y point. It is perpendicular bisector. The same way we have to draw perpendicular bisector for x and q. Now we will join or draw the perpendicular bisector for x and q. For that we have to take more than half measurement. Here I have taken more than half measurement of x cube. One arc this side, the other arc this side. With the same measurement from x, we have to construct arcs. I have to extend a little bit so that we can draw in a proper way. So one arc upside and other arc downside. Where both the arcs intersect, we should draw a perpendicular bisector. So I will join these two arcs. First I will give the name. I will give name. Here it is a point and here it is a point. I will join these 2 points and draw the perpendicular bisector. You can see I join these 2 points. These 2 points are joined so that this line will meet line segment PQ at Z. It will meet PQ at Z. Here it is Z. This line perpendicular bisector. It is perpendicular. You can see that now x, y we have to join. These x and y we have to join. These x and y. Then we have to join x and z. These x and z. You can see this black triangle is our required triangle. Friends, you must not erase the arcs. Arcs must be remain as they are. Otherwise, your marks will cut. So I will repeat the construction what we have to do. First, whatever perimeter we are given, 11 centimeter. So 11 centimeter line segment PQ I have drawn. Then 15 degree angle, it is XPQ, 15 degree. Then angle XQP, 45 degree. Then join where both the arms meet, here X, both the arms meet at X. Then X, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of XP, this, it will meet at Y. Then perpendicular bisector of XQ, it meets at Z. Then join XY, join XZ. So XYZ is our required triangle. I hope you understand it. So keep watching, draw at least 5 times.